Alright, that's the noise it was making. Alright, let's see. White closest to me, black furthest away. Alright, so let's put the multimeter in here. I'm going to see when it's getting ready to fire up what happens. Okay. So that's one here, one there. I want to see whether the circuit board sends this power. All right. Let's see. Can you see? Nope. Okay. All right. Getting voltage. Two more screws. Okay. There's a little bit of carbon on here. All right, let's turn this off. Okay, so that's working. See that? All right, next is just that one. All right, let's take this flame sensor out of here. You see, yeah, flame sensor is over here. What I really need is a flashlight so I can see. Okay, flame sensor. I'd be dirty. Let's put it back in there. Constant as opposed to a quick 24 volts. All right, let's try this again now. All right, here goes nothing. Hear that? All right, that's the noise it was making. It's the valve. It's this valve. So I'm going to do what I plan to do here. We'll leave this off. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to disconnect this. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's take this off. One screw here. Another one over here on the right. I rarely take this side off because there's chipmunks and stuff like the other side. Let's see. Oh look, see, I told you they like this. How nice. Like this. Wow. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, there's that. Okay. Let's hold this up. And push this down. Alright, you know what? The whole thing is moving. Like this. I'm gonna take this top part off. Alright. So I just hold this down. Alright. Okay. One. Two. There's got to be more screws than those. There's one below this. So there's 4 screws here. Come on. Wow. Good. All right. All right. There's the orifices. All right. Here we go. Ta-da. Beautiful. All right. So disconnect this. I'm in the process of making a union over here. So I connected this back up. I put half of the union here. I'm going to put the other half. Will go in the back there. I have it as a sample right here. But this is too big. If I connect it here, it's going to come all the way out to here and have to go in there. It's not going to work. So here's where we are. Here's the new one of these. I gave this a little painting, so I'm gonna try to put it on the same orientation. Wowee. Boy, that was tight. Wow. Okay. Boy, that sucked. Next one, this has to be straight. When this is down here, this got to go that way. All right, how am I going to get this off? All right, that was tight, man. That was tight. Okay. All right, last one. I think it was like this, but we'll see. Okay. All right, hopefully this is gonna be it right here. Hopefully this is gonna line up well enough. I should look and make sure. All right, wait, I'm just gonna make sure all the orifices are clear. Yep. One, two, three, four. All right, good. Okay. Let's put this in. One. Come on. One. Two. Three. This thing's going to shut itself off in a minute or so. Okay. Okay, so that's that. That's back in. Now we get to work over here. Now this wasn't really worth doing, this whole thing, but I can rotate it out. I can take this out more easily now. Because in order to spin this thing around, I have to release it all the way back there, or else there's not enough room. So at the end of the day, I still have to take off that fitting. Okay. So next, going to put some dope on here and thread that in. Got to put this up on. Here goes nothing. Wouldn't it be cool if I cross-threaded this? No, not to me it wouldn't be cool. I'm going to have to grab hold of this. So I don't want to torque anything. All right. Come on. Okay. Turn this on. 0. Turn on the gas. .12 inches of water column. All right, 11 and 14 inches, so that's good to operate safely. When the heaters burners fire up, the manifold pressure should be settled between 6.5 to 7. Okay. All right, so that's good coming in. Okay. Let's see, there's another one down here. Right there. This one's a manifold. Okay. Let's put this one in there. Again. Before I fire it up, I'm going to test the connections. See what happens. All right, 6.97. All right, that's it. Thank goodness it works.